Oh my gosh. Is this recording? Are we back to the YouTube? So first things first, apologies for not, posting on YouTube. I'm a full-time content creator and I just barely, don't post my own content.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Pretty bad, honestly. I need to be posting more and I will be. Just you wait. But anywho, I've been posting lots of content on Instagram. So if you haven't been following me there, go ahead, check it out. But I've been posting this specific type of content and I've been loving it so much. It's so easy to do. I get to create fun, cinematic, cool looking B-roll, and I get to show off my life in a cool way. So I figured I'd do something with it and create cool edits. And that's exactly what I'm here to show you guys how to do as well. Use the B-roll you already have or the B-roll that your clients already have and repurpose it into edits that actually get views and get eyes to your personal brand or page. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to color grade your footage, how to sync up your footage to the music, and then last but not least, add some trending overlays to really catch the eye of a new viewer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into Adobe Premiere Pro. I already have sort of my footage that I want to use lined up into the timeline. Now for these types of edits, there's really no right or wrong for the sequencing. It's kind of just whatever looks good and kind of just trust your intuition and just really get creative with it. So this is exactly what we're working with today. Just some very simple cinematic sequences. Honestly, a lot of these are tripod shots with maybe a few handheld movements in there. So pretty easy, and there's no excuse for you to not be creating this. First things first is we can go ahead and color grade the footage. Now there's so many different ways to color grade your footage inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. For these specific types of edits, I'm gonna go ahead and use an adjustment layer. So I'm gonna go to this new item, adjustment layer, hit okay, and then I'm just gonna drag and drop it above our actual footage. Now, the reason why I'm doing that is just so that I can apply the grade to this one clip and it'll apply it to all. And then if we need to make any tweaks, we just go ahead and go to the specific clip and tweak it there. Super easy, but there are other ways to do it. If you have a different way to do it, go ahead, that's perfectly fine. I'm gonna go ahead and select the adjustment layer. We're gonna go up over here to presets. Now, this is where you would throw in your own LUT or color grade it the way you want. You can use Lumetri Color if you don't have a LUT, but if you're like me, you have actually saved some color grading presets. Now I do sell my own editing presets and they save me so much time each and every single day. Like I have my LUTs, audio effects, camera movement, slide effects, viral layer effects, and a new lineup called dailies, which I'll go ahead and get into that more later in the video. It's literally made for content just like this, so more on that later. But for now, I'm just gonna go to my LUTs. I'm gonna go ahead and drag and drop a S-Log to Rec 709 conversion, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and drop the everyday creator LUT on here. And we're just gonna go ahead and make some tweaks to get the footage looking exactly how we want it. Let's go ahead and play it through and see what we're working with. Looks great. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second step, which is adding your music and syncing the clips to the music. Now, me personally, I love adding in my clips beforehand, just so that way I have all of my selects kind of ready to go. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and select the part of the audio that I want to use for the edit. So I'm gonna go ahead, double click right here. And I've already selected my audio portion, but how you would go ahead and do that is play through. And say we want to start it right here, just hit I on your keyboard. It'll place an endpoint. And then hit spacebar to pause it, and then hit O for the out point, and then just drag and drop it into the timeline. And then we'll just go ahead and fit it out over here like so. And we're just going to play through while hitting M on our keyboard on the cuts that we want to make with the beats. So you're gonna have to use your ears and kind of just feel out the vibe of the song and place cut points along the way. The cuts don't have to be perfect, especially if you're doing kind of quicker sort of cuts. Try to get them as good as possible because the better synced they are, the better they're gonna look. I'm gonna go ahead and enable all these clips. And because we have already added in our clips, we just match the footage to each marker like so, and do that for the rest of the clip. Now that we have everything cut, let's go ahead and play it through. Now I did make some tweaks just because it flowed a little off from my original markers, but that's completely fine. That is part of the process. So don't feel bad if you have to go ahead and do that yourself as well. Now it is time to add on the overlay and transition effects. Right off the rip, I'm just gonna go ahead and start and make an overlay. Before I do that, I wanna show you guys my brand new pack, the Dailies Editing Pack. Now this is made for creators who want to document their life or edit their clients' day in the life content in a trending way. And the way that I'm actually gonna go ahead and access this is using my ViralREELS extension. Now this is brand new. I just dropped it and it is live in the link down below. So I'm gonna go to extensions and go to ViralREELS. And then I'm gonna go over here to Dailies. And what it's gonna go ahead and do is import the files into my Premiere Pro. Now, if you get this dialog box, no worries, just go to your movies folder by hitting your account, go to movies, double click, and then it's gonna go ahead and create this folder for you, ViralREELS templates, and then just hit search. It'll go ahead and find it, just hit okay, and then you're good to go. Then we can go back to our project. You can see the ViralREELS templates. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. And then what I like to do, honestly, is just once I have this folder right here, I drag it down and then delete the ViralREELS templates sort of folder tree, because that's just way too many folders. You don't need it. And then there you go. You guys have the actual editing pack, the Dailies Edit Less, Live More pack. Like we said, we want to go ahead and add on an overlay. So I'm going to go to title cards, and the one that I want to use is in vertical, and it is the trend B-roll overlay. Drag and drop it like so. I'm going to go ahead and full screen the timeline and then just drag this out throughout the entire video. Now what's cool is you can keep this just for the hook, or you can play it through the entire video. I've done it for the entire video and people have loved it, and it's done pretty well on my Instagram, so feel free to do the exact same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it through with the overlay.
I need like $500,000 cash on a jet. Dropped on me 50K a bag for the set. I go too fast.
And already that makes it look so much more cinematic. Now, because these are text layers, you can edit the text whatever you want them to say. Like you could generally just remove the bottom line if you want, and then just, you know, replace the top 3 words, whatever you want to do. And if you want to do that, just go to properties, click the text that you want. So your life, we're just going to change it to like my life. Just do all caps because it looks better. Now, the font that I use for this effect is native to Adobe Premiere Pro, so you guys don't have to buy a new font. You just have to go to the Adobe font library and pick this one out. So it's New Haas Grotesque Display Pro, and this one's pretty fire, really, really clean. So for example, that's just one overlay. Another one that's really cool if you're doing weekly vlogs is this first one, like so. Just drag and drop it over like so. Let's say it's, you know, your weekly 13 out of 52 vlog. Like these overlays just make sharing B-roll of your life a lot more clean and a lot more structured. So instead of just a random B-roll edit, it's like, okay, like, yo, it's a vlog, or it's just me documenting my life, etc., or like a video B-roll dump. Sweet. So now that we have that overlay, we could actually go ahead and start adding in some more saucy effects, which again is in this Dailies pack, which comes with the ViralREELS bundle. I use it literally each and every single day in my personal brand. There's a transitions tab just like this. Go to vertical, move all this stuff up like so, a couple layers, and drag and drop the transitions where we see fit. So this is kind of a hit, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a flash wipe left to right. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it like so, play it through. There we go. Do like an invert, you know, sort of flash effect like this. Kind of another hit right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and move this over, and we're just gonna do maybe let's do like a rectangle 3 frames like this. Kind of a nice glitch effect. Maybe we'll even do another one right here, just maybe a quick little 2-framer. So we'll do like this. Ooh, there's another camera flash right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a 2-frame. Looks good. I might even stack it as well with a flash wipe up and down, like so. That looks insane. Really sick. And then let's say we want to do something simple, maybe like an OG film burn overlay. You also have access to film burn overlays. You drag and drop. The blend mode's already changed for you. So it's pretty lit. Me personally, I'm not going to use the film burn. I'm honestly just going to do something very clean, like a left to right sort of wipe, like so. Play it through. I like that. Kind of adds a little bit of momentum. And then another thing that you guys could go ahead and do is go to the viral effects pack, go to audio effects, maybe just cut it randomly in the middle on like a transition. Maybe you want to place it right here. The normal to low pass effect. play it through,
Y'all throw me 50K a bag for
and then maybe bring it back just like so by cutting. And then I'm gonna delete the low pass effect like this. And then I'm gonna go to the low pass to normal effect, and then it'll bring it back in slowly. So that's just some extra sauce. And what's really cool when you guys get the ViralREELS bundle, you guys get this plugin, and this plugin is gonna live update when I drop new packs. So we have the essential bundle as well as the daily bundles now, but I'm planning on dropping a crazy text template pack in the near future so that we guys can get like super clean, crisp captions super easily. But real quick, before we end out this video, I totally forgot to show you guys how to make the actual like record overlay. So I'm gonna do that really fast. Go to the text tool like so, type in record like this with a period at the end using the new Haas Grotesque Display Pro fonts, and then just kind of make it whatever size you want. I'm gonna go ahead and center it, center, just like this. And then we're gonna select only the period, go to fill, and then change it to like kind of a deep red or a bright one if you want, but I feel like a deeper, more desaturated red just looks better and a lot more premium. So there you guys go. You guys can drag that over the entire length of the film, and it's pretty tough.
I need like $500,000 cash on a jet. Y'all throw me 50K a bag for
Fire.
I need like $500,000 cash on a jet. Y'all throw me 50K a bag for on the gas, I might race.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. We are so close to 50,000 subscribers, and that's just crazy to even say out loud. Appreciate y'all. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.